This is Jennifer Walters with the Little River Chamber of Commerce and Visitors Center. Come find your treasure right here in Little River.
Hi, I'm John Savage, and I'm from Archangel Home Care here in Little River, South Carolina. Archangel Home Care is a unique community provider there for your elderly folks at home. We provide an angel's touch of care for your loved ones. So, if somebody's coming home from the hospital and they need that extra care and you cannot provide that, we help become an extension of your family for your loved ones. At Archangel Home Care, we found our treasure too. Many of the community's most favorite programs like the Crab Fest, the Shrimp Fest, all the fisheries, all the beautiful entities that are in the Little River that we've come to love. We really love our chamber, and they've actually helped us increase our business by our advertising, by becoming a community with other members in Little River. I'm John Savage, and this is Archangel Home Care in Little River, South Carolina. And we found our treasure here too, so you can too. Just come on down to Little River, South Carolina.